Draw that little ball. Draw that big ball. Here's the ball. Here's the orange one. Here's the orange one. The orange one.
It's yellow, buddy.
I can go this barn. I got it. I got another barn. Got another barn. Got another barn. Got another barn. Got that another barn again. Here.
You want it?
Got that another barn again.
Use a different color. Use the blue one.
It was.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna go in it. She's beautiful. She's beautiful.
Yeah.
Do another one. Mine over there. My baby over there.
Really?
Yeah. I put the number 18 on there.
With the number 18 on there?
Yeah.
Well, that's a number 9, I think, actually.
That's a number. That's a number.
It's a number. Is it a kitty cat that you drew?
Yeah, I tried it.
Yep, and you colored it in?
Yeah. That's the orange.
Yep. That's
When I get home.
when Yaya gets home, yeah. Do you miss Maya?
Yeah, come home.
Aw, do you miss Mommy?
Yeah. There's another one. Oh, there's another one.